Today is Saturday, June 13th, and this is a follow-up in the series of experimenting with different methods for getting Blue Bayou Salvia to rebloom. So this is a salvia that's been in this pot for 3 summers. This is its 3rd summer. It's always done very well, and I cut it back sometime before May 12th. My first salvia video was on May 12th, and I had just cut it back pretty heavily to see what would happen, and this is the progress we have so far. It's okay, but it's nothing compared to this. Now this is one that I just planted this year. Came from the same nursery as the other one, just a few years apart. And this is the one where I've just been cutting out the expired spires. So a couple of things to note about this is that, one, it has grown really tall. I mean, I haven't had any salvia so far. Well, actually, that's the only other one before I've had this year. But that's really tall. I think it's because, I didn't cut it back to its base like I did the other one, and so when it grew, it just added on to what was left behind, and it grew really tall. Not only that, but it has grown so bushy that I've actually had to cut some of it out to make room for this blanket flower, or coneflower, and the autumn joy sedum back there, because I don't want to completely crowd them out. But this thing has really taken off. I actually had cut out a few of the expired spikes on the left before I made this video. I shouldn't have done it that quickly. So this one has grown really tall, it's really bushy, and it's been in bloom pretty much non-stop. Whereas this one, we have had to wait a month for it to get this far. And unless somehow this turns out really spectacular compared to the other one, I think this is definitely the winner. Just cut out the spikes and don't cut it way back. Now, of course, we're still early in the summer. It's only mid-June, and things could change. I may change my mind as the summer goes on and I keep doing this. So, for example, when I cut these back, how far am I going to cut these back compared to the last time? Because if I do the same method, this thing will just keep getting taller and taller, and we'll see how that works out in the long run. I might have to make some decisions about where I cut the next time around. But anyway, so yeah, tall, bushy, in flower the whole time. This so far is the winning method, but I'll keep tracking the summer and we'll see what happens.